Supreme Air LLC San Antonio, Texas technicians is very well trained and highly skilled in handling complex vent blockage issues proactively. Air ducts are often forgotten about until they're clogged and cause problems. Not only do air ducts need to be cleaned regularly to prevent buildup, but if they're not cleaned properly, it can lead to a number of health problems. Supreme Air LLC San Antonio, Texas offers comprehensive HVAC cleaning services that will get your air ducts clean and functioning properly again. We use the latest equipment and techniques to get the job. Contact Supreme Air LLC today 210-777-7220 for HVAC cleaning in San Antonio, Texas.